Explaining the concept of sustainable competitive advantage. 1. Sustainable competitive advantage refers to a unique set of resources, capabilities, or strategies that allow a company to outperform its competitors consistently over a prolonged period. 2. It is the ability of a company to maintain a competitive edge and deliver superior value to customers in a way that is difficult for competitors to replicate or imitate. 3. Sustainable competitive advantage is built upon distinctive competencies that differentiate a company from its rivals and create barriers to entry. 4. It enables a company to achieve long-term profitability, market leadership, and growth by attracting and retaining customers and stakeholders. 5. A sustainable competitive advantage is not easily eroded by market dynamics, changes in customer preferences, or competitive pressures. 6. It is based on durable and hard-to-replicate assets, such as strong brand reputation, intellectual property, proprietary technology, or exclusive access to resources. 7. Sustainable competitive advantage is rooted in a company's core competencies, which are its unique strengths and capabilities that give it a competitive edge. 8. It requires continuous investment in research and development, innovation, and improvement to maintain its relevance and superiority in the marketplace. 9. Sustainable competitive advantage is built upon a deep understanding of customer needs and preferences, allowing a company to deliver superior value and customer satisfaction. 10. It involves effective strategic management, including the alignment of resources, capabilities, and activities to create a distinctive market position. 11. Sustainable competitive advantage encompasses multiple dimensions, including product or service quality, cost efficiency, customer service, brand reputation, and operational excellence. 12. It requires a strong organizational culture and a committed workforce that embraces innovation, collaboration, and a customer-centric mindset. 13. Sustainable competitive advantage is not static and requires ongoing adaptability and agility to respond to changing market conditions and emerging trends. 14. It provides a solid foundation for long-term success, enabling a company to withstand competitive threats, economic downturns, and industry disruptions. These points provide an overview of sustainable competitive advantage, highlighting its importance in achieving superior performance and long-term success in the marketplace.